Namaste everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. On the daily chart of Bharti Airtel, the level of 800 rupees was previously acting as a strong resistance level. Here, one futile attempt followed by a fake out, and after forming a double bottom pattern, finally price managed to break out. Currently it is strongly coming down. See the slope. I'm going to draw a slanting line. It is quite severe as opposed to the bullish move that we saw. Price was slowly going higher and higher. Also, the volume activity, I should say the bearish volume activity is rising as well. Second thing, this is a failed attempt followed by an even stronger attempt. So the sentiment is that the bears are dominating the stock price, and if we see 800 rupees, I should say weekly closing below 800 rupees, then I won't be surprised to see 750 rupees as well. And this is where we might see stronger players coming in. So if you want to buy Bharti Airtel, I would suggest to wait for 750 rupees. But for option trading, I will tell you the levels. We are going to buy 790 rupees of put option only if the stock price goes below 802 rupees. And based on the analysis, I can foresee 750 rupees as a possible level to exit our trade. Having said that, this jump from 800 to 750 might not transpire within one single trading session. So show some patience, wait and hold onto your position. If you feel that price might retrace earlier than our calculated target of 750 rupees, then just square it off or place a trailing stop loss.